Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be checking out another brand new watch band that we haven't seen before. This is an outdoor survival umbrella rope watch strap for your active watch 2 or your watch 3. This is a 20mm, so it is compatible with your 40mm and 41mm watch 3 and active 2. So here it is, guys. This is completely made of, let me just get my information here. The strap is completely made of a strong rope, which you can use to hold a hammock. That's what the description is telling us here on the Amazon.ca and .com. It's got a compass, it's got a small knife, a thermometer, a whistle, and a magnesium rod, a flint, so you could start a fire. It is 6-in-1 outdoor survival multifunction strap, and you get to choose 3 different types of colors. You have the green, black, which I have the black one here, and the army color. All right. So in Canadian dollar, it is currently going $20 posting on Amazon.ca. They do have it on Amazon.com. Anyways, let's check this out, guys, and see what this thing is all about. There she is. Let's see what kind of tools or whatever they state there on the description. Oh, look at this. It's got a leather pouch here. Okay. And it looks like you might have a saw right here. This one, stainless steel. I'm not too sure what those other ones here because it doesn't say anything. Oh, okay. All right then. All right. We got a picture here. So it looks like, okay, we'll go with number 1 first. This one is number 1 right here. And number 1's description is a can opener. Let's put this on the side first so that you guys can see on the top view camera. So this one here is a can opener. Number 2, this part over here is a knife edge. Oh wow, that is pretty sharp. And number 3, this part here is a screwdriver. Okay, that's excellent. Number 4, you have a ruler on the side here. And number 5, this part here is a can opener. Number 6 over here is a 4-position wrench. Okay, how does that work? Looks like, I guess you put your screw there and then you just try to fit what size it is. Number 7, you have this portion here. This and right here is butterfly wrench. Number 8, which we already mentioned, is a saw blade. And number 9, this portion here. Number 9 is direction and artillery indication. Artillery indication, I'm not too sure what that is. Number 10 over here, we have 2-position wrench. And number 11 over here, the lanyard hole key roll hole. Okay, let's see what else we have here. So let's check out, and of course it comes with your pouch bag over here, tools to insert the locking pin for your watch. Okay, so you pretty much everything you have here. And what is this card? VIP, just saying thank you and everything. Okay, so this is like pretty much a bonus that comes with it, which I didn't expect. So that's pretty handy. All right, so the watch band itself right here, wow. Okay, this thing is completely solid, guys. This rope Like they stated on their advertisement, you could actually use this to hold up a hammock, which is quite strong. Okay, so right here, it looks like we have the compass right there, north, south, east, west. Over here, you have the thermometer. So I don't know, the sensor should be back here somewhere. It should read out how warm or cold it is in your environment. And down here, this thing looks like the flint. I don't know if you could remove this. Probably not. It seems like you can't remove it. And the other one, you have a knife right here, which is quite sharp. And then you could remove this. Okay. And then you could actually start a fire with this or something. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. A flint. Okay. How come it's not sparking, guys? Okay, anyways. Let's see. Yeah. So you have to go like this. And start a fire. Let me see, where's that end part? I just want to take a look how the description looks like here, guys. What happened here? It froze. So this is their flint. You have your knife. And then you have your... So it looks like you just have to scratch it to cause the fire. Okay. All right, that's what this description looks like. Okay, so there's the thing here, the survival gear, 11 in 1. And the flint wise, I don't know why it's not even causing spark here. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try to test it out furthermore. But for now, I just wanna show you guys what this thing looks like on your Watch 3 and Active 2. So here it is. Okay, I'm gonna try to attach this on my watch. Let's go for the black one first. And where is my locking pins? We're gonna actually test it out on my other video and see if we could actually create a fire with it. I have to read the detail more, how to use it. But anyways, here it is. Where is the end part? So it looks like you put it here, like so. So you definitely need a tool for this to install. It doesn't have that hinge knob on the side that you could just do it manually without any tools. This one, you really have to use this tool. All right, so this might take a little while, guys, to do all of the watches, but I'll try to do it. Okay, that's the top portion. And now we'll do the bottom part here. There you go. All right, so here we go. That's what it looks like. All right, so it's, you know, straight up meant to be an outdoor strap. And you also have this Velcro adjustable strap here if you want it bigger or smaller. Now let's put this on my wrist. Okay, there it is. That's what it looks like. You can make it tighter or loose. Okay. So perfect for camping, hiking, whatever you want to use it for when you're out and about, guys. This is what you need, okay? You have your thermometer, your compass, knife, flint, and so on. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the silver one. That's what it looks like on the silver Active 2. Let's put this on. There she is, guys. Okay. There's your pink color. Let's put this on. There she is. Okay. Now we'll go to the watch 3. Because this is quite time consuming, guys, to install this. And you guys pretty much have the general idea what it looks like on the black and silver. All right, so we're gonna go straight to the watch 3 and see how this thing performs or looks like, because with this watch band, it makes the Active 2 looks quite small. With the watch 3, since it's got a bigger casing, it should compensate the way it looks. All right, so let me try to install this here. There is your watch 3. As you can see, this is perfectly well suited together. The casing of the watch 3 really complements the size of the watch band, guys. There you go, guys. So there you have it. You have watch bands that you could actually utilize when you go camping or hiking. Pretty much an emergency source of tool, and which is quite handy, guys, you know, that we have these options to choose from, because some of us, you know, might need it in just in case we do get lost or something happens to us in the wilderness. So now we could just pull out these tools, compass, or thermometer when we need to. And other than that, guys, the watch band's not too bad. It feels comfortable on your wrist. It doesn't feel heavy, you know, and it's got pretty much everything you need. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna do a follow-up video. We'll do a flint fire on this. We're gonna try to create a fire with this flint. Hopefully I'll be able to figure it out, and I have to read more information about it, guys, how to use it. But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. The video is getting too long, sorry about that. The negative about this, again, is the locking pin. They really need to change it without using this tool, because once you lose this, it's pretty much, that's it. You can't remove it from your watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
That's my secret.